All right. Now, again, on this particular lesson, it's a lot of just translations. All right. That's what we're trying to do. All right. You're trying to take the words and put them into math. All right. Which, for whatever reason, is difficult. So I want everybody to take a look up here. Now, last time when we did this, we did not have an equation. They were just expressions. All right, so the main difference now is it's an equation. So that means there's always going to be an equal sign. Everybody with me on this? All right. So now we talked last week. Twice means to do what? What does twice mean to do? Multiply by what? You're multiplying by 2. All right. So the first thing I want everybody to do is put 2 down. Now it's saying twice the sum. And I told you last week, one of the most important things you can remember is when there's 2 operations in a row, multiplying by 2 and adding, that requires what? Yes, parentheses. Come on, guys. Parentheses. Now, what am I adding? I want everybody to underline what we're adding. A number and 6. That is correct. X plus 6. Now in math, I want everybody to write is your symbol or your sign or your word for equal. For equal. Equals 12. Yes.
Like still out of the parentheses, but I put it after the.
No, I want it like this because you're learning to write in the order that you see them. All right, that's what's important, is that you're writing in the order that you see them. All right, so twice the sum, 2 open parentheses, x plus 6 close parentheses equals 12. All right, so we're doing some key words here. All right, now we're on number 2. Now, when a number is divided by 6, so how do I write when a number is divided by 6? KK, what do I do? Don't, come on, just try. It's okay.
X divided by 6.
Yes. Now, how do you write x divided by 6, though?
Oh,
We don't write the division symbol anymore. We always write it as a what? As a fraction. All right, now, what I want to make sure everybody's understanding is the result. What does that mean, the result? This answer. When that answer is subtracted from 5, when that answer is subtracted from 5, so what are we thinking here? Is it minus? 5 minus. So I want everybody to do 5 minus that. And again, it will say now the result is 9. How do I write that? Say it again. Equals 9. All right, now guys, I'm just telling you, I think that's kind of hard. All right, so everybody, we're going to go through it one more time. When a number is divided by 6, this is what they're talking about. When a number is divided by 6, that answer is subtracted from 5. That's what that means. Anybody have any issues with that? Anybody? All right, now listen, we're just going to keep going down the page. You're just going to keep trying. All right, here we go. I want everybody to write down what they think. 18 less than 8 times the number is 80. Everybody write that down. I'm going to see how close you are. 18 less than 8 times the number is 80. I'm gonna let you try it. 18 less than 8 times the number is 80. I'm gonna say it one more time. 18 less than 8 times the number is 80. All right, buddy, tell me.
I think it's -18 parentheses 8A parentheses.
What parentheses do you want? Say it again.
I flipped the 18 to 8A because the order is set.
Ooh, okay, okay. I like that. So you did 18 minus 8A, like that?
Yes.
All right, somebody else want to give me a shot? Tell me.
I did -18 parentheses y times 8 close parentheses equal 80.
Like that?
Yeah.
Tell me.
I did 8x minus 18 equals 80.
Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, that's what
Who else said that?
That's
Yeah, guys, I'm super duper proud of you. Got that. That is correct. All right, now you were almost right. This 18 less than. Are you starting at 18 or are you subtracting 18? You are subtracting 18. You are subtracting 18. And I always tell kids every single year, there's nothing I can do to help you on that. Nothing. All right, you have to kind of think that through. All right, that's just a reading problem. All right, anytime they say less than or more than, it's like the operation switches. All right. So again, if you got 8x minus 18 equals 80, you get a gold star. All right, that was excellent, excellent. All right, so now we're going to try number 4. Give everybody 30 seconds and try it. And we're just going to go down. I'm going to ask someone else. Ten more seconds. Okay, Molly, you got to try. And remember, Molly, I don't care if you're right or you're wrong. All right, you're just trying something. Tell me what you wrote down.
I said 2 plus 37.
2 plus what?
37.
That's it? Now, Molly, I'm going to help you with this. All right, let's start over. All right, I want you to read it.
2 more than 11.
Stop. 2 more than. What does that mean? Well, what is, like, if I said I'm 30 more than you, and let's say we're talking about the age. I'm 30 more years, I'm 30 more than you. What does that mean? If I'm 30 years older than you, but how do you write that? Let's say I'm talking about you specifically, right? You would take your age and what? Subtract what? Well, look, I want you to write this down. I need you to know this. More than is addition. Less than is subtraction. You have to know that. Now, let me ask you this. If I'm, try to write this down for me. What is 3 more than 5? Now, are you starting at 5 or are you starting at 3? I'm going to write this down on the side. 3 more than 5. All right, now let me ask you this. Tell me what this answer is. 2 less than 5. What is 2 less than 5? What? Right. See how your brain is automatically switching it? So you have to know these more than and less than is the operation is the numbers are kind of switched. Do you hear me? So when I say to you, 2 more than, does that mean 2 plus or plus 2? That is correct. So I want you to put plus 2 down. Now, what is it 2 more than? Right. So it's going to be W plus 2. Now, what does is in math mean? Shh, not talking to you. You see what I'm saying? Is always means what? Equal. And then it's just writing the number, 37. All right, now everybody's trying number 5. All right, everybody's trying number 5. I'm gonna let Avery try number 5. And Molly, I want you to concentrate now, and I want you to try. All right, I don't want you writing down the answer. Tell me when you're ready, Avery. I don't care. All right, Avery, let's go. Read it. I know, and I don't even mind that, but I want you to read it to me first. Stop. 9 is. What does that mean? What does 9 is mean? 9 equals. Now you can put equals 9 at the end, but yes.
5 minus, that's what 5 less means.
What does 5 less than mean? Minus what? Nope. Tell me again. This is what we're talking about. If you were specifically asked about 5 less than, how would I write 5 less than? Everyone thinks it's right. Everyone thinks it's 5 minus. It's not 5 minus.
Oh, I wrote 5. I wrote 2. I wrote minus 5.
Okay, so now tell me, continue on now. Tell me what it is. Yes. Now, how would you say T times 2 though? Watch this. No. It's okay, Avery. I know, but that's how you're supposed to say it. Say it again now.
2t minus 5.
Okay, I'm totally okay with that. I'm totally okay. Yes, that's right. If we're doing the literal, if you wrote this on your test, would I really care? I really wouldn't care. But I'm trying to teach you, you're literally doing the translation. So I would prefer that you write 9 equals 2t minus 5, even though it doesn't matter. Okay? You okay with that? All right. Reese, you're going to do this one. Yep, read it. Okay, so what do I have to write? So what does sum mean? Sum, what operation? She knows. Multiply, divide, add, subtract. Addition. So sum, as soon as it says sum, we know we're adding. But what are we adding? Ooh, tricky. We're adding. Now look, I'm okay with this. You ready? Don't, and please, that's what I'm saying. Everybody's struggling a little bit. It's okay. That's how you're getting smarter. That's how I'm going to be able to teach algebra. Look, you're adding two things together. Now, what two things am I adding together? I want everybody to highlight 1/3 of a number. The and, underneath the and, I want you to put the plus sign. And then after that, I want you to highlight the 16. So how do I write 1/3 of a number? Yes, 1/3 in. Right. So you're adding 1/3 in and what? That's what I need everybody to look at. KK, come on now. Next year's a big year. All right, you got to be ready. Hey, Reese, that was hard. Do you see it now? 1/3 in plus 16. That's what all of this information means right here. What does is mean again? Equals. Now, how do I write 2 more than the number? 2 more than. Come on. 2 more than. What is more than? Molly, tell her what more than is. Add. How do I write now 2 more than a number? What number are they talking about though? N. All right, this is hard. Guys, come on now. No wimps. All right, Reese, are you okay with that? You want me to do it again? Molly, you following me on that? What?
Why would you do 1/3 and then instead of 1/3 plus n?
Because 1/3 a number means 1/3 times n. If I say what's 1/3 of 9, you would say 3. Okay? All right, Ashley, go. Wow. H over 3, because quotient means what? And divide, we're going to use as a what? Fraction. That is correct. That is correct. Keep going. Equals 1. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Good job, Ashley. Avery, how you doing? Molly, you doing all right on that one? KK? Remember, I don't want you writing things down. I want you to try it. All right, next. Number 8, Luca.
So you do times 12.
What am I multiplying?
12.
Okay, 12.
Then you do -1. -1 s equals 41.
Somebody else take a shot at this. Jackson, what do you think? Just a minute, KK. I'm gonna let you do it.
10x.
No, I'm on 18. I'm on number 8.
Oh.
KK, tell them what 8 is.
I don't know if it's right though, but
KK, I know, I'm proud of you for trying.
12 plus 5
Okay, let's first talk with product. What does product mean?
equals.
No. Product means what? Now you need to write down in your notes, product means multiplication. Just like more than meant addition, quotient means subtraction, less than means, or more than mean addition, less than means subtraction. Product means multiply. You got to know those key words. That's an issue. So again, what does product mean? Now listen to me, guys. We are multiplying two things together. What two things are we multiplying together? Tell me.
I did 12.
Hold up. That's 1. We're multiplying 12 and what?
And x minus 1.
And s minus 1. Yay. That is it. You're multiplying 12 and s minus 1. So what does that require the s minus 1 to do? Parentheses. 12 parentheses s minus 1. Thank you. Now finish it off.
Equals 41.
Yay. Oh, right. Equals 41. I'm going to have more worksheets on this. Right. We need help. We need lots of help on this. Now, again, Cole, are you okay? Reese, Molly, KK, Avery, you all right with this? I know it's a lot confusing. That's why I'm saying you got to try first, right, Luca? You try, you write something down, then you let me correct you, and then you say, okay, I see it now. I didn't see it before, but I see it better now. All right. So, Eddie, read me 9.
10 times x is the twice of x in 11. So,
Everybody should be writing something down. I'm listening.
so you do
Read the first part again.
10 times x,
How do I write that?
10 times x,
Which is just
10x,
10x. Now, what does is mean in math?
equals.
Come on now.
Equals twice, the
What-
sum
What
of
does
x,
twice mean to do?
times
Times what?
2.
Right. What are we going to multiply by 2?
The sum of x and 11.
And what is the sum of x and 11?
X.
Right. So I have a 2 and an x plus 11. Is there anything special? Is that the way you want it, or do I have something else that needs to be done with that?
No, it's good.
Ashley? Parentheses. Because what are you multiplying by 2? The sum of x and 11. All right, did I skip anybody? Cole? All right, Cole. Go, number 10.
11 less. So
How do I write 11 less than? Molly, did you hear that? He's correct. 11 less than means minus 11. And then what?
2n. Equals. 10%.
10 more than, plus 10. Right? Not 10 plus n, even though it's the same thing. Does everybody agree? N plus 10 is the same as 10 plus n, but if it was less than, it wouldn't be the same. All right, KK, read it.
You skipped me.
Oh, did I? Okay, I'm sorry. Number 11, go.
Alright. 3 times 1, I'm gonna get 2 less than x's squared. So what I did is I did open parentheses x minus 2 and close them, and then 3 equals 4.
Where's 3 at?
3 times the quantity. Oh, 3 in front of it.
And then what?
It equals 4.
Good. Does it really matter if it was after it?
No.
No, but it's still important that it says it in front. You good with that?
Yeah.
All right, that was good. KK,
3 times b,
3 times what?
b.
Read it. Read it to me.
Oh wait, I switched that. It's 3 times 2 minus c.
Yes. Right. 3 times 2 decreased by z. Then what?
Equals 11.
Yes. There you go. You good on that? All right, that was pretty good. All right, hold on. I don't know why I forgot to leave a space here. So this is what I'm going to do. Copy, paste. Molly, you're up on 13. Now watch. Turn this. All right, now we got room. All right. Uh-oh, diminished. What does that mean? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. Very nice. Yes,
3 minus 2x equals 40.
you did very good, Molly, on this one. All right, 3 minus 2x. Now notice we're starting with 3. We're not subtracting 3. Do you agree with this? Okay, number 14. Let's go, Avery.
So 2 increased by 3 times the number r is 5 times the number r. So what you would do is do 2 minus
3 what?
3r
Good.
plus 5
What does is mean?
equals
Equals.
5 plus r.
You're so close.
No,
Instead of 5 plus r, it technically should be,
parentheses.
nope. 5,
R plus 5.
right, r plus 5. Avery, you got this, girl. R plus 5. You okay with this? More practice. All right, next. Uh-oh. So come on now. Thank you, kiddo. Very good. Now you're getting it. Very nice, very nice, very nice. That was perfect. All right. Again, I'm just saying, if you just go through, make a bunch of mistakes and make your corrections, that's getting smarter. I'm not asking you to just know the translations. There are key words though, right? Is everybody with me? Key words. You have to know the key words. All right, Ashley. You're writing an equation. If it says the perimeter, what do we do for perimeter? So what would I do here? That's all you have to do. That is exactly correct. Perimeter is add up all the sides. So you would say 11 plus x equals 25. Everybody's writing that down. All right, next, 17, go.
The area of the rectangle is 75 square meters.
How do I write an equation for that?
Oh, so you would do 2x plus x plus 2.
You're killing me. What's the formula for A of a rectangle?
Oh, it's base times height.
So what am I doing?
Oh, you multiply.
Okay, so tell me what to write.
2x times x plus 2
Then what?
equals 75 square meters.
There you go. Does everybody see why I put the parentheses there? KK? Hello? That's okay. Do you remember how to do area? Area equals, he said base times height. I like length times width.
Wait,
Because you're multiplying these two things together. Do you agree? You need the parentheses because you need to distribute the 2x. You wouldn't just multiply 2x times x. You with me? You're multiplying 2x by the whole thing. All right, Cole. Are we on 18? Why are we using 1/2?
Oh, wait.
It's asking for perimeter.
Oh. Oh, that was,
So what am I doing?
it would just be 22 plus 45 plus x equals 96.
Help someone else help him.
Another side.
There's another side.
Oh.
So what is it?
X plus x
Yes. Equals.
equals 96.
Yes. Everybody write that down. Jackson.
Luke.
Now, did everybody write down Luke? And I want everybody to write down Sam. Hold on a minute. Now read the first one.
Luke has 5 more than Sam.
So how much does Sam have? How much does Sam have?
Sam has 30.
What?
Jackson.
Do we know how much Sam has?
No,
So that's what?
X.
Yes. Luke has 5 more than Sam. So what am I doing?
X plus 5.
Thank you. Now it says together they have 50. So now what would I say?
Equals 50.
What does?
X. X plus 5 equals 50.
Yay, smart kiddo.
Yeah.
That is correct. X plus 5 equals 50. KK, is that making sense to you? Shh. Avery, how am I doing? So. Now, do you understand Luke and Sam, right? When you don't know something, that's the variable. We have no idea how much Sam is making. We only know how much Luke has. Luke has 5 more than Sam.
And this one makes sense.
Okay, I know. We're going to practice. I'm going to show you what I'm going to have you do tonight. All right, Eddie. So now I want you to put male and female. There are 4 more women than men. So how many men are there? Shh. How many men are there?
4 more.
No. How many men are there? You're supposed to say, I don't know. So it's what? If you don't know something, it's a variable. What's the variable? X. All right. So the males are X. So now how many females are there? There are
4 more. Oh, so 4 plus X.
yes, but we don't say 4 plus X. We just go ahead and say X plus 4. You hear me? Now, all together, there were 15 people on the jury. So how do I write an equation? What are you going to do to the males and females? If there's 15 people on the jury, if there's 4 men and 5 women, what do you do to find the total? You add them. So I'm going to add the males and the females. So it would be X plus 4 equals how much? There you go. All right, Tyler, go.
Or a bus. 3 miles further than Rhonda.
Hold up.
So Eleanor.
Eleanor.
And the sum of the distance the bicycle. Worth.
So how much did Rhonda?
Rhonda biked 3 less miles than.
No. How much did,
Miles further plus 3.
who is plus 3?
Wait. 1 sec.
1.
Stop. Laura biked more miles than Rhonda.
So how much did Rhonda?
X.
X.
So good.
So what is Laura?
X plus 3.
Yes. All right. Now altogether they did 25 miles. So what do? Shh.
X plus 3 equals 25.
Yes. Brilliant.
Took me a second, Dr. Nine, but I'm good.
Okay, KK, you're up.
So Lisa walked 8 more miles more than Joe.
So we write L and J. So how much did J walk?
X.
How much did Lisa walk? Read the first sentence.
So X plus 8.
You are amazing. X plus 8. All right, now read this sentence right here.
Lisa walked twice as far as Joe.
So what did Lisa walk?
Times
No, what did Lisa walk?
X plus 8.
And Joe walked what? Now, how much did Lisa walk right now? X plus 8, right? She walked twice as far as Joe. So you multiply Joe's by 2.
Okay.
You with me? So this right here, make yourself a note. This is Lisa. And this is Joe. Joe is just the X. So this is twice Joe. You agree with that? All right, that was hard. All right, Molly, what time's the bell ring?
We have 1 minute.
Okay, let's just stop there. All right, now listen, what I need you to do tonight. Yeah, we'll finish it up tomorrow.
Thanks, Jackson, for your punishment.
Yeah, no homework.
I'm gonna read. I feel like